Hey, what is up, munchies, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Karabo and this is the Accounting Girl. And if you are a returning subscriber, it is lovely to have you back. It is another vlog. Like I said, and I'm gonna say it again, I am literally in my vlogging era. I enjoy vlogging so much. And the vlog that I posted this week is doing really well on my channel, so I just felt like let me just enter my vlogging era. But anyway, before we get this vlog started, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share if you care, and make sure you leave a comment too. Okay, so yeah, let's get this video started. Is always such a tricky situation for me. So right now I have to go to the mall because I need to go buy a piece. So I'm just double cleansing my face. Oh, I put too much water on my cleansing brush. So I need to go to the mall to buy hair piece because tomorrow is Friday and I have an appointment to do. I think I'm getting knotless braids. I'm not sure yet. It's either knotless braids or a straight back. I'm gonna brush my teeth, get dressed, go to the mall, come back and study. Hopefully when I come back the electricity is back, because enough is enough. So I came back from the shops, evidently, so I'm having some hot chocolates because I haven't had hot chocolate in over a year and it's cold today, and I just felt like let me just get myself some hot chocolate. So since tomorrow I'm not going to be home majority of the day, I've decided to do my schoolwork instead of sleeping the whole day. I am tired, I don't want to lie, but I have a lot of auditing work to get through, like quite a bit. So that's the agenda for today, is to go through auditing. I've been watching you. I've been watching you. So I just finished writing down like my test dates for the semester. I feel like when I have my test dates written down, then at least I know what I'm working towards and the dates that I'm working towards and my pace. So I really need to improve my pace. This week I need to make sure that I finish all the work that I need for all of like my first assignments, and then next week I must work on second assignments, and then the other week third assignments. So essentially what I'm trying to do is make sure by the end of this month I am done with like at least till like May's work. That's my goal, but I probably will be done with the semester's work. I don't know. If I really push myself, I will. So yeah, right now we're currently experiencing load shedding and I'm on a study break. I'm just here to fetch some food because I'm so hungry. And then earlier on when I came back, I washed my hair and then I deep conditioned it because it had been a while. I think the last time I trimmed my hair was in November, and I could tell because my ends were going through the most and my hair was just really dry, so I had to deep condition it and cut off my ends because, like I said earlier on, tomorrow I'm going to do my hair. So now I put it in 3-strand twists just to like stretch it out. But we can book a flight, we got some paradise. Good morning guys, it is Friday today. I'm going to do my hair in about 2 hours. As you guys can see, my nails also, we need to go. So when I get back from the salon, I'm probably gonna deal with that, depending what time I come back from the salon, and then I'm gonna take them out because tomorrow I'm doing my nails. As you can see, the lashes are done. I actually just finished my lashes right now. I finished them yesterday and then I just wanted to make them a little bit fuller, so I added some more singles. I don't know, I really like the set on me, like, because the set that I did last week was very questionable, and I feel like because I did it in a rush, also that was the part that was questionable. Hey guys, it is Saturday today. I'm not vlogging today. I just decided to pick up the camera just say that it's Saturday today. I'm about to eat. I'm tired. I took a nap. Yeah, today is just a very chill day. Nothing too serious, but I want to make myself food. I'm so hungry. I want cinnamon toast. Cinnamon French toast is what I want. For the semester for auditing, What I want is this information so that I can know what to do next week. And you guys can see each module is color coordinated to what color I'm going to be using for the week. This is all the work I must finish for auditing this week: industrial psychology as well as information systems. So now I need to get on my iPad actually. Guys, having an iPad is the coolest thing ever. I don't care who says what. Like, are you dumb? Like what? Let's keep it a bug.